Hi, CJ with Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be going over and installing our TRD Pro Grille Lightbar Kit like you see here for your 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundra, as well as converting a stock grill to a TRD Pro Heritage Grill. If you're looking to swap out the light bar on your TRD Pro or converting from a stock grill to a TRD Pro grill, this kit is perfect for you. This kit allows you to mount one of our 18-inch Stage Series light bars in the opening on the TRD Pro grill. The brackets have been CAD designed to bolt directly to factory mounting locations without any cutting or drilling. Thanks to the custom engineered TIR optics inside, our Stage Series light bars shine light in a highly efficient, highly functional beam pattern. The Stage Series light bar included in this kit either comes in 6000K cool white or a brilliant amber output, which is a great option for anyone with a TRD Pro looking to change the color of their factory light bar. You have a choice between our driving and combo beam patterns. The driving option provides a concentrated rectangular pattern downrange, where the combo option combines our driving and flood optics to shine light downrange while adding additional fill light directly in front of the vehicle. We can start by popping the hood and grabbing a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts along the top of the grill. Then, at each side of the top of the grill, you'll notice 2 connections. We can go ahead and unplug them on both sides and remove the plastic clip underneath the connectors with a plastic trim removal tool. Next, we'll grab our 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts underneath the front of the wheel wells on either side. We'll now move underneath the bumper to remove 8 more 10mm bolts along the bottom. 3 on the driver's side, passenger side, and 2 in the middle. Looking through the grill, you'll see 4 more 10mm bolts we'll need to remove, holding on 2 more brackets. Next, we'll grab our black fender trim, pry it away from the front bumper until it passes where the bumper and the fender meet. We're about ready to take off the front bumper now. If you have a friend, now would be a good time to grab them, but you can do this on your own. Grab the outer edge of the bumper, prying away from the retention clips, working your way along the fender and the bottom of the headlight. With both sides released, you'll grab the center of the grill and pull it away from the vehicle, setting it face down on a soft surface. With the bumper removed, we can now disconnect the active shutter harness and remove the 6 10mm bolts holding it in place. If you already have the TRD Pro Grille, you can skip to the timestamp below. Next, using a Phillips screwdriver, we'll remove the 2 screws holding in the front camera. Then, we'll disconnect the TSS sensor and remove 3 more Phillips screws holding it on. Then we have 3 more screws on the bottom corner of the grille on each side and 6 more along the top. Next, we'll need to remove the upper grille surround. There are 10 tabs we'll need to pinch and press through. We found it easiest to use the trim removal tool. Then we'll need to remove the corner bumper panels by pressing through 7 more tabs on either side. Flipping the bumper over, we're then going to pop off the fog light bumper cover using a trim removal tool. Flipping the bumper back over, we're then going to press through the 18 tabs holding the factory grille in. Before moving our new grille into place, we'll need to slide off the TSS sensor fasteners and pop out its cover before transferring them to your new grille. Next, you can transfer over your camera to the new grille using a third-party bracket or however you see fit. Then, we can grab our light bar bracket and line it up with the light bar slot on the new grille, and secure it in place with the 4 provided screws and washers using a T20 Torx bit. Now we can bolt the light bar to the bracket using the supplied M6 bolts. You'll need to slide it all the way forward, leaving it hand tight for any aiming adjustments later. Next, you'll squeeze and push through the retention clip holding on your camera harness and plug it in, securing the wiring of both the light bar and camera to the bracket with zip ties to prevent any interference with the active shutters. We'll go ahead and also secure the light bar connector alongside the factory connectors at the top of the grill. Then, we'll reinstall our TSS sensor and plug it in, along with the rest of your bumper panels and the active shutter assembly before reinstalling your bumper to the vehicle. We're now ready to start our wiring. To do this, we'll need a 12mm socket to remove the nuts from the positive and negative terminal of our battery. We'll secure the black wire to the negative terminal and the red wire to our positive terminal and tighten them back down. Next, we'll route the switch across the engine bay through the firewall to the location of your choice, securing it away from any hot or moving parts. If you have an aftermarket aux bank like us, you can instead disconnect the switch portion of the harness and replace it with the auxiliary lead. Then grabbing the DT end of the harness, we'll route it behind the headlight up to the light bar connector we zip tied up earlier. Finally, we can make our aiming adjustments, and once you're happy with where it's at, you can tighten down the two M6 bolts on our light bar with a 10mm socket and extension. As you can see, with our Stage Series TRD Pro Grille Lightbar Kit installed, not only does it give your Tundra a custom off-road look with a white or amber output, but also provides a significant amount of added light while off-road. If you're looking to pick up a Stage Series TRD Pro Grille Lightbar Kit for your Tundra or any of our other products, you can visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use their dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you'd like to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification. Thanks for watching.